Welcome into a brand new episode of WSI TV. Enjoy the show.
Welcome to another weekly market update. It's after the market closed on Friday, the April the 13th. Here's where we look at the big picture and short-term picture, so we can get an idea of where the stock market is going short and long term. That affects everything, whether it be individual trades or your pension fund. So let's look at the S&P 500, which is a kind of benchmark stock index that we look at. So his is going back from 2014, 15, 16. There's a few years covered here, so we can get a bigger picture of where it's come from, where is it going. Week to week action, these little vertical pegs here, up and down, and then it's kind of smoothed out a bit for us with this blue line here, which is the 40-week moving average. There's also the 70-week average there. So over the last however many weeks, that's what it was. So you can see the market is literally above average, and that average line is pointing up, and that's typically a bullish sign. Although you wouldn't have thought so of late, with all the people getting excited about all the volatility as we've seen right here, and there has been a lot of volatility, but looking at the charts is what keeps us honest. So the proprietary signal I used was telling us bull market, brand new bull market back then, the 7th of November. It said to stay in, has not yet told us to get out. So that's very clear as day on the weekly chart. Let's look at the daily chart. 6 month now, day-to-day action, all these little lines here, and the 50-day moving average and the 200-day. So here's where all the trouble started, which was frankly a long overdue correction, and a correction in what was already become a very silly situation there, as I've been warning for all those weeks up to it. So then we get this bounce, it tries to get above, and then this second bounce, and it was looking for a while there like a little bit dicey, and even we had one day below the 200-day moving average. But as I've been commentating on, the weekly chart really never got below that. And in fact, this week it's done a good job of bouncing off and staying above its 200-day moving average. So that's good news that it's above its 200-day moving average, although time is starting to run out for this market to get its act together. If this blue line here crosses that red line down there, then it's a very bad sign. But we could have some progress here. I mean, it looks like there's a little bit of short-term resistance at that line there. The market needs to get overcome. So not there yet. The RSI here, the strength indicator, is starting to sort of trend upwards. Not seeing any real signs of danger. Let's just look at NYA. Similar sort of idea there for the whole of the all the indexes. So I'd say, I mean, long term, I have to look at this and say, yes, it's still a bull market, because the indicator is quite clear, no question about it. Short term, is this thing going to hold? Is it going to correct? We're still in that kind of, we're in that neutral zone, guys. Nothing more I can say. It's not trending up or down. It's kind of still in this long and tedious holding pattern there. So this week should give us some direction, though. We're hoping. So I will speak to you next time.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of WSI TV. Be sure to visit WSITV.com, where you can subscribe for free with no contract and gain instant access to the secrets of self-made millionaires via the WSI TV Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at WSITV.com.